Welcome to Subsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown in this video to slow it down. Welcome back. This video will delve deeper into customizing your photo gallery creations. We'll explore adding borders, shadows, text, animations, and watermarks, allowing you to elevate your galleries to the next level. Go ahead and create a new gallery. In my case, I will use the gallery that we used on the previous video. To search for the gallery, just go to the photo gallery dashboard, click on galleries and search by gallery name or gallery ID. For reference, here is what my gallery looks like. Now, let's add some depth and polish to your photos. Under main menu, let's explore the border and shadow options first. Here, I am changing the distance between the image to 20 pixels for space allowance for my border and shadows. Border here refers to the style and appearance of the borders applied to your gallery thumbnails. You can choose from solid, dotted, dashed, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset to none. Go ahead and try it yourself. Just for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and try changing the border type to groove. Change the border color to red and border width. Hit save and preview. Now let's go back and edit. Since I want to have my gallery a clean look, I changed my border type to solid, color to white, and change my border width to 5 pixels and then add a shadow. To add a shadow, click on Enable Shadows to show its presets. You can choose 1 out of 10 presets. Here, I chose 9. Shadows are best to use if you do not have borders or if you have white border colors. Now let's hit save and preview. You can also customize the shadow. You have the ability to show or hide the shadows on mouse hover and just turn it off for default. You can also change the shadow color here. I changed mine to gray, and use the default shadow blur and shadow shift along X and Y axis. Also, if you enable overlay image with shadow, all image thumbnails in your gallery will be shadowed. Pop-up and lightbox refer to functionalities that display enlarged versions of your images when clicked on within a gallery for an added animation. There are 8 themes to choose from. Go ahead and try it. Here, I chose theme 7. You can enable pop-up border. Choose border type from solid, dotted, dashed, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset to none. You can change the pop-up border color, border width, and can disable or enable it on mobile viewing. Please note that pop-up borders only works with theme 6. Let's try and use a vibrant color. Text and captions refers to a feature that allows you to add textual information to your galleries, enhancing their visual appeal, adding context to your photos. They boost engagement, SEO, and clarity in photo gallery. If you haven't added your captions and texts, click on the image list button and add all the captions there. The plugin will automatically save your texts as you go. Add informative and engaging text elements to your gallery. Once done, go back to Settings and click on Captions and Icons button. Now, let's edit. Here, I chose first the text highlight color so I can see my adjustments. I chose white for minimalism. Then adjust my transparency to 30%. Since I needed my text to be readable, I changed the font color to black. You can also add HTML tags in caption. While allowing all HTML in captions sounds cool, it opens security risks, accessibility issues, and inconsistent rendering across browsers. Plus, maintaining it's a hassle. Stick to basic formatting for a safe and smooth experience. Now, the red background doesn't fit with my gallery. Let's change this. Scroll up and go to the background section. Click and change the color. Remember to always hit save to see the changes. Once satisfied, you can change the transparency to your liking. I'll leave this on 50%. Animation effect has heaps of variants to choose from. You may need to test this one by one to see fit for your gallery. You can also add images on hover. Users can hover their mouse over an image. A specific visual change occurs. You can upload that image here. Disabling mine, as I want this gallery as simple as possible. Also, when personal image caption is for enabled, a button appears on the right side of every caption on the image list page. For Polaroid style, please note that once you enable this, your adjustments will revert back to default. This style is best for travel blogs. You can change the animation, enable image scattering, adjust padding and many more. Try it yourself. Experiment responsibly and choose animations that complement their website's overall aesthetics. Protect your work, build brand recognition, and deter unauthorized use with watermarks. To add watermarks, you just need to go to the watermark page, then click Enable. You can choose where you want to add the watermark, either thumbnails, on pop-up images, or on both. You have the control if they can download it with watermark or not. And also, make sure your watermark has no background when uploading. Here, I am changing the size of my watermark for 50% to fit on the thumbnail. And leave the size for pop-ups since I am only using watermarks on thumbnails. If you don't like what you see, just adjust watermark placement, opacity, and size for optimal visibility. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the power of advanced customization in Photo Gallery. On the next video, we'll dive deep into the secrets of mastering organization and navigating your photos like a pro. Stay tuned for tips and tricks that will blow your mind and make managing your precious memories a breeze. Only in Subsystic.